When it comes to seafood, you can enjoy it in different ways. Today I'm going to be preparing this one with cream. You can enjoy it with bread or with spaghetti. First, I'm going to add some butter to the pan, then add the shrimps and fry it for about 10 minutes. While our shrimps are frying, let me show you what I'm going to be adding to it. I have some shredded carrots, pumpkin, and a bit of sweet potato, and of course I have some onion. So here is 15 minutes later. As you can see, it's a bit thick now and looking very creamy, and the aroma is all over the place. So here I'm going to add a bit of chili, parsley, stir it for another 2 minutes to give it the spicy vibe. Voila, it's ready and you can eat it with pasta or with bread. And I hope you will be trying it. Please don't forget to share, comment, and follow us for more.